What's up guys, I'm Han. I'm going to show you guys how to gainer off of something. So before you guys try this, make sure you guys do it somewhere safe, like a gym. Maybe have a gym with mats. Some of them soft so you don't get hurt, before trying outside. I'm going to show you guys one and we'll get started guys. Alright, that's a gainer guys. Let's get started. So hopefully you're all warmed up. Like I said, do it somewhere safe. The first step is find an obstacle. You might want to find an obstacle maybe not too tall, unless you're comfortable like that, or not too low, so you won't have enough height. Since you're first starting out, you kind of want to find like a medium height, maybe like right here, or maybe about your chest height. Whatever you're comfortable, find that first. After you find that, you're going to get on top of the object. So you have both feet planted. The first step is, I like to look at the ground. You can look straight, wherever you're comfortable guys. First step is you're going to swing on his back. So basically, swing on his back, bend your knees at the same time a little bit. Swing on his back, bend your knees. Second step is you're going to jump, you're going to swing forwards. Man's going to probably stop right here, you're going to swing forwards. And you're going to jump out and up and out. Not too straight out because you won't have enough height. And you're under rotate. You don't want to jump straight up because then you're going to probably clip and that's going to be scary. Because this is a forward, this is a back flip, you're going forwards. So you're going to swing on his back. Knees slightly bent. Swing forwards, jump forwards, up and out that way. And then you're going to tuck. So when you jump up and out, you're going to push your hips out too. And you swing, jump on that way, tuck. When you tuck, you're going to grab the middle right here, bring your knees up, push your hips out. Because when you push your hips out, that's how you don't clip. So as long as you push your hips hard enough, there's no way that you will clip, guys. Unless you're jumping straight up and you're not really pushing your hips, then yeah, you'll clip, and that's very scary, guys. And that's not what you want to do. So let's go over the steps. Swing on his back, knees slightly bent, swing forwards, jump up and out, push your hips, tuck, grab your knees. So right when you're gonna be in the air by this time, guys. You're gonna be in the air. You should be looking forward still. When you tuck, you should be looking forward. After I tuck, I like to look up. I look up. You should rotate. That's how I rotate. When I tuck, I look up, pushing my hips out. Now after that, guys, it's the landing, guys. So when you land, always on the ball of your feet. Your knees slightly bent so it doesn't hurt. Never land flat-footed, down your heels, ball of your feet. You should release, feel it out. And you should land nice and sweet, guys. So the key tips is, guys, is just make sure you swing hard enough. You also want to push off your ball of your feet for the height too when you swing. And also your hips are the key tips too. As long as you're thrusting your hips hard enough, guys, and you're tucking hard enough, you should make it over. You should never clip, guys. I'll show you guys one last time. So hopefully that helped you guys out. Leave a comment. I'll see you guys next time.